Hi everyone, it's Caitlin from Angels of God, and today I wanted to share a story and tell you a little bit about a family that we just recently helped. The other day we were informed about a family who their refrigerator unfortunately broke and they couldn't afford to buy a new one, and so they put all their perishables into a cooler and then put the cooler outside because it's winter and it's cold out right now. But unfortunately this only lasted a couple days because an animal had come along and gotten into their cooler and ate all their food and destroyed it, and so they had told us about this and we decided that we wanted to do something to help. We put the word out and an amazing angel named Sunny stepped up and said that he would actually buy the family a new refrigerator. So that is what we're going to do today. We are off to Home Depot to buy this family a new fridge. The refrigerator is all wrapped up and ready to go.